These top-down videos with the changing scenery are so cool and actually really easy to make. So I've partnered with Adobe Creative Cloud to show you how to make them using Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro. First, you're going to want to pop your video into Premiere Pro. Click the camera icon to snap a screenshot of a single frame. Drop your screenshot into Adobe Photoshop. Using the rectangular marquee tool, select either side of the image. Using the new generative fill in Photoshop, prompt some new scenery. Repeat this process for as many new landscapes as you want, and put them each on their own layer. Now to export each layer as a PNG, go to File, Export, Layers to Files, and select PNG to ensure the transparency box is selected. Back in Premiere Pro, add each of your new scenes into the project file. Drop each one onto the timeline above your original clip. Change the duration of all of the clips at once by selecting them all, right-click, speed/duration, and change the duration, making sure to select the ripple delete box. Now when you play back your clip, you should see the effect come to life. With Adobe Creative Cloud All App, I have unlimited creativity with complete control.